Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about Python programming language and I'm gonna answer two important questions. And the first one is, what is Python? And the second one is, why is Python so popular? If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to subscribe it. And if you enjoyed the video and find it useful, don't forget to like it. It will be a great support. Let's begin. Now we want to discuss what is Python. Python is one of the fast growing, popular and high level programming language using for various purposes. Okay, and we are gonna go through some uses of Python and we'll discuss some of them to see what are these uses. The first one is data science. Python plays an important role in data science. In, for example, machine learning, deep learning, there are important and powerful libraries that are used by data analysts and engineers like NumPy, Matplotlib, or TensorFlow, or other libraries. And the next one is web development. Web development is also another field that Python is used. For example, web developers use Django framework in order to create a website and actually server-side programming. And also there are other uses like application development, automation script, finance, game development, embedded applications. Actually, Raspberry Pi is working with Python and also other uses. And here I'm going to show you the most loved programming languages in 2 years. 2015, you see the list here, and Python, as you see here, Python ranked 10th among all programming languages, but in 2021 it actually ranked 6th among all the programming languages, which is actually showing that Python's popularity is growing and Python is becoming more and more powerful and popular among all the programmers and all the people. Again, according to Stack Overflow survey, I'm going to show you a list of the most wanted programming languages, actually the 5 top. And as you see here, in 2015, Python ranked third among all the programming languages, and in 2021 it is the most wanted programming language, which actually demonstrate that Python's popularity is growing faster than ever. So actually we want to discuss this question: why Python is so popular? What is the reason? What actually are the reasons of this popularity? Well, the first one is simplicity. Python is an extremely simple programming language, and it is actually very powerful, and it closely resembles English language, and it's better say it is closer to human language than machine language. And I'm going to show you an example here. We have Java and Python. We want to compare these two languages. I want to just print a line, hello world. As you see in Python, we have to write more than 3 lines in order to actually print this one sentence, but in Python you just need to write 1 line, and it's actually clear that Python is more simple and there is no complexity in Python. Okay, another reason for this popularity is supportive community. Python was created more than 30 years ago, and it is open and free to use. Many companies and people dedicated their time and actually effort to expand this programming language, and now there are plenty of documents and guides available that a developer and a learner of any skill, of any level of proficiency and age can use in order to gain a knowledge and experience about programming, about Python programming language. And if somebody run into a problem, face an issue, there are many people, there are many groups that can help provide you with solution and give you suitable answers. Okay, another reason is support from famous sponsors. Python programming language is heavily backed by Facebook, Amazon, web services, and especially Google. Another reason is libraries and frameworks. Python has fabulous libraries that you can use and save your time and effort on initial cycle of development. Python libraries do all heavy lifting for you. No matter what you are going to do with Python, there are lots of libraries that you can use. Okay, and I want to show you some examples. As I said before, Matplotlib for plotting graphs and charts, NumPy for scientific computing, and Django for web development. Okay, another reason is a high salary. Python engineers have some of the highest salary in the industry. The average Python developer salary in the United States is approximately $112,000 per year. Okay, and actually, and the last reason that I'm going to talk about is multi-purpose. Python is a multi-purpose language, and you can actually be a software engineer, Python developer, automation tester, data analyst, and data scientist. And you can create website, analyze data, and run a script. No matter what you do, Python is a great choice for you. And in the end, I'm gonna tell you, if you are interested in Python, do not miss my Python tutorial. We start from some basic concept to more advanced one, and by the end of the course, you have whatever you need in order to start programming with Python. Okay, I hope you now have enough information about Python programming language, and you know now what is Python and why it is so popular. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to subscribe it, and if you enjoyed the video and find it useful, don't forget to like it. And also, don't miss my Python tutorial. Bye for now.